Hey, welcome to another video. We're out here. We're going to replace this old worn stuff here. You see how it's all kind of falling apart. So we're going to tear this out and we're going to put it in plastic. It'll last a long time. So let me show you how. You can see how this is getting all broken down here. And our new little dog can run under there. So we're also going to block this section here. We made a new ramp earlier. So here we are outside. I'm going to tear this out. That's easy. So we took all these measurements right here of what the size pieces we need. Okay, so here's what we did to lay this out. You can see we've got arrows on what side of the lines we're supposed to cut. All right. We've got all of our pieces that match this sheet. Laid it all out, double checked it, you know, lay it out, measure it again just to be sure. Got our Ryobi saw, got the blade set just enough to get through the plastic. We're going to take this out on the grass and cut it up. All right, now we got to be careful. Look what side the arrows are on. That's our other piece here. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this fuzz up here. I'm going to turn this a certain way here so the fuzz is towards us and just kind of come into the file and cut this stuff off. All right, we're all deburred. Let's take them out and go rip the old stuff out and start figuring out how to block this one. All right, so where the corners meet, you have to put a bracket behind it like this to screw into. So we're going to make a couple blocks like this for it, for our dead corner, and we're going to go mount this stuff out on the deck. Let's start the screws in here. All right, so what we're going to do here is put these pieces on this lower part. Got to make this flush, so I'm going to put a block down here, and we're going to do two of them. So we're going to put one on here and one on here, like this. So they're just like this at the bottom. And we got to figure that out, put a screw in it. All right, that's got that side. All right, let's go get smaller screws. All right, so this is our first piece to go in. Put the cut edge towards the top where you don't see it. Now when you put this in, pilot drill first. This way you don't crack it with a screw. All right. Okay, so in this corner, what we're going to do, a little different, this is loose, all right, we need to put a corner piece like this. All right. So what we're going to do is just hold this here and there are 2 holes. Got a couple screws in here. Oh. Quickly to crack. All right. All right. And we'll put another one here. Here we can put one. See if we can get our side piece to fit in here. Now this one may need some trimming, it may not. See how it fits in there. Yeah, it looks like we need a little trimming down here. We'll go get a marker, mark that, and maybe we don't. Yeah, I guess we do. All right, so we're going to go get a hand saw and go ahead and mark this here. Chip this corner out right here. Okay. Let's get it marked, and then we can figure out if we. So we got 2 spots here marked. We have to cut. I don't think you can cut it with a scissor, but we're gonna try it. Nope, have to go in the garage and cut that. Be right back. All right, fits pretty good now. So what we're gonna do is start by drilling a hole up here to kind of fasten this. All right, so here's what it looks like done. That'll stop the little dog from running under the porch and getting into trouble. All right, another helpful how-to home tip. It was pretty easy, pretty simple, not that inexpensive. The plastic piece was $45 at Menards, so get ready for that. But then we only used 1 piece. We laid it out careful so we get it all out of 1 piece. We got a small piece left over if something was to break, fix it. But there you go. Like and subscribe, post notifications on. See you in the next video.